Yeah, you are supposed to find the mean. Yeah, so we have test max frequency, then we shall have max, then we have the mark. Yeah, we have the mark, and I'm going to call this x, and then I'll have the frequency at that point. Then I'll have another column for fx there, which will mean that once I've identified I have all my columns, we have 4, we have 5 test mark, we have 8. Then on this other column, I have 2, I have 4, I have n, right? So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll multiply fx, f frequency times the value of x. 2 times 4, 8. 4 times 5, 20. N times 8, 8n. If I add everything here, that becomes what? Summation of fx. So if you add everything here, that is called summation of fx. This plus this is going to be 28. Plus 8n will be 28 plus 8n. What's the total frequency? This, if you add everything here, that is going to be given a name, summation of f. That's going to be 2 plus 4, 6 plus n, it will be 6 plus n. But we know mean is going to be summation of fx over summation of f. Meaning, you take this value that here we have gotten 6 plus n. Here we have gotten 28 plus 8n. So if you take that value here, which is 28 plus 8n over 6 plus n, is equals to the mean. And you were given the mean is 6. So you cross multiply this, multiply on the other end. You are going to have what? We are going to have 28 plus 8n is equals to 6 into 6n, 6 plus n rather. 6 plus n, isn't it? So, to be 28 plus 8n is equals to 36 plus 6n. Now, we put the like terms together. Like terms together. Let's check. Everything fine. 8n, then 36. Okay. And then this is going to be 8n. Yeah, let's check if everything is fine at that given point. We have to be sure that our arithmetics are always what? Correct. We have to ensure that the arithmetics are always correct. So, which means we are going to have that is 6 plus n, which is okay. And then we are going to have also 28 plus n, that is okay. Then what are we going to have here? This multiply there, 36. So I'm going to have, let me simplify this, 28 moving on the other side, and 8n, this 8n will remain where it is. I'll take 6n on the other side, so I don't know whether you can be able to follow through. Minus 6n is equals to 36 minus 28. So 2n is equals to, if I subtract this guy, I'm having 36. Don't make a mistake when you are subtracting. This will be 8, right? Yeah. So we shall have 8 at that point. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. N is going to be 4. N is going to be 4 at that given point. So these are questions to do it non-calculator paper. How do you work them out? So the next setup, the next part of this tutorial, we are going to see how do you work out non-calculator paper questions like this.